In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Snowflake edition. This is a useful skill for anyone working within the Snowflake data platform, as understanding your account's edition can help you take full advantage of the features available to you. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step to ensure you're able to find this important piece of information without any hassle. First, we begin by opening Snowsite. Now, if you're not familiar with Snowsite, it's the modern, web-based user interface for Snowflake. To get started, simply log in with your credentials. This will bring you to the main dashboard, and you'll be able to see various options and features at your fingertips. Once you're in Snowsite, the next step is to navigate towards the admin section, where you'll find various administrative tools and settings. So, look for the admin tab at the top of the screen. It should be fairly prominent. Hovering over or clicking on it will reveal a drop-down menu with more options underneath. In this menu, you'll want to click on Accounts. This section is crucial because it holds all the information related to your Snowflake account. So, go ahead and click on Accounts, and you'll be directed to a new page where you'll see a list of all the accounts associated with your credentials. This is where you can manage all aspects of your accounts. Now on this page, take a moment to locate your specific account from the list. The accounts are usually displayed in an organized manner, and you might see several entries if you have access to multiple accounts. Identify the correct one that you're interested in. Being careful here is key, so that you don't accidentally check the details for the wrong account. Once you've identified your account, click on the account name. Clicking on the account name will open up a detailed view of your account's settings and specifications. This view is quite informative, and it will present you with various details about your account. Here, you can find a wealth of information including the usage details, configuration settings, and importantly, the edition of your Snowflake account. Now, focus on finding the section where it lists the edition. The edition will give you insight into the features and limitations that come with your package, such as the number of users supported, processing power, and storage capabilities. Knowing your edition helps you leverage the tools and resources available to you in the most efficient way. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Snowflake edition. By following these simple steps, you're able to ascertain critical information about your account, ensuring you can fully utilize the platform's capabilities. Thanks for tuning in today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.